Hi, my name is Manuel P. Sombrero. I'm 17 years old, grade 11 student, proud to be Center Talk.
Hi, I'm Selvix Jan Macayayo, 17 years old, grade 12 student, about to be Center Talk.
I'm Jason Ramos, 17 years old. I'm grade 11 student, proud to be Center Talk.
Hi guys, my name is Daniel Santiago. I'm 17 years old, grade 9, proud to be Center.
I'm Nicole Salcedo, 17 years old, grade 12 student, proud to be Center Talk.
Hi, I'm Noel Santiago, 19 years old, first year college, proud to be Center Talk.